let's learn how you can connect your AirPods to Windows PC or laptop. So what you need is AirPods and Bluetooth on your Windows PC or laptop. If you don't have Bluetooth, you can just buy Bluetooth adapter, but if you don't have Bluetooth, you can't connect AirPods to Windows. Now what you need to do is to open the case and click the back button of the case. So you just need to hold it until it's in pairing mode. Okay, when it's blinking, it's in pairing mode. So now we just need to open our Bluetooth settings. Here you need to click on add device and go to Bluetooth device. Now we need to wait until Bluetooth finds our AirPods. Mine is already here, so it can't find it there, but I can just click on connect, and as you can see here, it says connected to microphone and audio. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.